Today I was tempted so much to eat chili chicken, so I thought why not share the recipe with you all. So yes, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making chili chicken in my version. So let's get started. So first I'll show you what ingredients we need to make chili chicken. Here I've taken 800 grams of 2-inch cut boneless chicken. This is corn flour, 2 spoons, 1 spoon of plain flour, cubical cut capsicum, green capsicum, cubical cut onions, salt, red chili powder, black pepper powder, ginger and garlic paste, cooking oil. Here I've taken 1 beaten egg. That's red food color, which is completely optional. Here I've taken tomato ketchup. This is chili and garlic sauce. 1 spoon of chili sauce. 1 spoon of soya sauce. This is finely chopped ginger and garlic. This is 2 green chilies which I've slit them. And this is chopped green onions, spring onions. So let's get started. The first step is to marinate the chicken. So I've taken the chicken here, to which I'll be adding in half spoon of black pepper powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder, quarter spoon of soya sauce, half spoon of salt, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, and mix it really well. Once you have mixed everything, I'm gonna add in quarter spoon of red food color, which is completely optional, and mix it. Once you have mixed it, this food color is completely optional. If you want, you can add in, or if you want, you can completely skip it. Once you have mixed it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in 1 egg which I've beaten it, 2 spoon of corn flour, 1 spoon of plain flour. Do not add too much of corn flour and plain flour, otherwise it becomes too much of soggy at the end when you fry them and put it in the sauce. So at this point I'm gonna mix it really very well. So our chicken has mixed nicely. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover and keep it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Minimum 15 to 20 minutes, maximum is for 2 hours. Now that I'm cooking it immediately, so I'm just marinating it for 20 minutes. So see you after 20 minutes. So it's been about 20 minutes, our chicken has been marinating, and here I've kept some oil in a pan. We just need to deep fry the chicken that we have marinated. So what I'm gonna do is fry each pieces of chicken into it. Do not overload them or overcrowd them, just enough so that your vessel has been filled, leaving equal spaces amongst them. This will take somewhere about 8 to 10 minutes. It's been about 8 to 10 minutes. You can see our chicken has cooked very nicely. At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chicken out in a plate. Take the excess oil out. You can see how nicely it's cooked. It's about 95% cooked chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all the chicken out and prepare the next batch similarly. So here you can see I fried all the chicken. Now we move to the final step, that is just stir frying the chicken in all the sauces, for which I have taken a pan here. I switch the gas on, which is full high. Once the pan is hot, I'm gonna add in 2 to 3 spoons of cooking oil. Give it a swirl. Once it's nice and hot, I'm gonna add in finely chopped ginger and garlic, 2 slit green chilies, stir it till all the rawness of ginger and garlic goes. Now you can see our ginger and garlic has cooked very well. The rawness has gone. To this I'm gonna add in some cubicle cut onions, some cubicle cut green capsicum. You can also add in yellow and red capsicum, but nobody eats at our house, so we don't add them. It's completely optional. I'm gonna stir fry it. Add half spoon of salt and cook it. Do not overcook them. You want to maintain the crunchiness of onions and capsicum that you have added. Just stir fry there from 2 minutes. It has to be cooked in continuously high flame. Once you have stir fried them for 2 minutes, I'm gonna add in the sauces. That's chili and garlic paste, 1 spoon. This is 2 spoons of tomato ketchup, half a spoon of soya sauce, 1 spoon of red chili sauce, and mix it very well. I've mixed all the sauces very nicely. Now to this I'm gonna add in some water so that the sauces mix very well. It's approximately half a cup of water, and let this sauce mix nicely. Meanwhile our sauce is getting cooked, I'm gonna prepare a slurry of corn flour. This is 1/4 spoon. To this I'm gonna add in some water. Mix it very well. And add it to the gravy. At restaurants they even add Ajinomoto, but for health purpose I don't add it when I'm cooking at home. Now you can see after adding corn flour, the gravy of chicken chili has become so silky and semi-thick. It has thickened. Now at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the cooked chicken to it and just stir them for about a minute. Do not overcook them, otherwise it becomes soggy. Just making sure that it gets coated with the sauce. Somewhere about 50 to 60 seconds. Now you can see our whole chicken has been coated nicely. At this point I'm gonna add in some chopped spring onions, give it a mix and switch the gas off. That's it, our chicken chili is all ready. I'll show you how yummy it's turned out to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the plating and show you all. So I've finally done the plating. Let me show you how it's turned out to be. That's the chicken chili recipe that we made. Look how yummy it's turned out to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste and show you all how it's turned out to be. Let me take one piece in my plate. With some onion and capsicum. see how it's turned out to be. It's so perfect. The sauces, the crunchiness of the chicken. What is this? The crunchiness of capsicum, onion is so good. Every bite is like heaven. Try the way I've showed you. It will make your day. Very easy, quick, simple Indo-Chinese recipe. Try the way I have showed you and let me know how it's turned out to be. So that's all for today's recipe video. Guys, see you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay smiling. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Alright.